This time we're going to use the switch node. What a switch node does is route people down multiple different paths. If we go back to the whiteboard here, I'll delete this. We have this one node, which is the switch. This is saying you're going down path A or you're going down path B, depending on what a particular variable is. This variable is going to be the budget. So if your budget is between $100 to $1,000, you're going to go down path A. If it's $1,000 plus, then you're going to go down path B. You can see here that we don't have any input data because this did not pass through the filter. Because it didn't pass, we can't configure this. In order for us to get input data here, we need to change the mock data. We're going to enter the trigger, then click this pencil icon. We're going to change this to $1,000 plus. We'll save this and continue forward with this test. We're going to test it out. It's going to update our system again. We can take a look back and see that the budget has been changed and it's no longer rejected. We have entered the switch node. If we come in here, we have all the data. If you look at table view, for example, you're only going to see data from the filter. You can see other nodes here, but I want to use schema because I can see everything in a nice view. I want to take this budget here. I want to say if this budget equals $100 to $1,000, you're going to go down this path. Alternatively, I'm going to open this back up here. We have another route where if the same data equals $1,000 plus, then we're going to go down this path. We're sending them down different paths depending on what the budget is that they set. That's how a switch node works. We can now send different emails depending on where they're at. For example, maybe in this case, we send an email to them. We're going to search for email and we're going to search for send. We're going to send a particular message. Maybe we want to send different messages. Like if you only have 200, I'll get back to you when I'm available. If you have over 1,000, it's okay, we need to jump on a call immediately. Let's connect our credentials by hitting this plus button. We're going to sign into Google here, very similarly to how we did Google Sheets. I'm just going to give this permission and allow this, which gives it access. I'll select my account and we're good. This has been connected, we can come back to this and now we can send an email. We're going to use the email of the person that submitted the form. We're going to send an email to them. We can say, hey, thanks for inquiring with ABC Company. Then we can change this to plain text instead of HTML. We'll just say, hey, and then add the first name. The reason why we split this into first name and last name is because if you just put it in one field and say, hey, first name, last name, it would be, hey, John O'Patrick. That just doesn't seem authentic. I'd rather split this into first name, last name. Hey, John, thanks for inquiring with our services. I'll give you a call back later this week or whatever. This is one option and we can sign off with Best John here. We can duplicate this. We can hit these three dots and duplicate this node here to send a different message if it's over $1,000. As a quick refresher, you can automatically pin nodes with this test button. You can automatically deactivate the node with this button. You can delete it here. Then you have these drop downs. You can open the node up. You can test a step. You can rename it, deactivate it, copy it, duplicate it, select all, clear, and all that. We essentially duplicated it and we have path 2, which is going to connect here now. In this particular email, what we're going to do is say, hey, thanks for inquiring with our services. Can you book a call on my calendar link here? Then I'll add https:/abc.com/booking. This would be your Calendly link or whatever booking system you use. Then they have an option to book a call immediately. That in essence is how we can split the paths apart depending on a variable like the budget. If their budget is high, then great. We want to talk to them immediately. We want to give them the calendar link. If their budget is low, then we don't want to prioritize them as much. We can follow up later when we have time.